Probably have to stoke the fire every 3-4 hours, but that's pretty normal. All right, guys, I'll see you in the morning. Hey, good morning. Oh, this fire's been keeping this place really warm. I keep forgetting how cold it is, and then the fire will die down. I'll be like, dang, it's really cold out. As long as the fire's roaring, this place holds the heat pretty well. All right, I think it's time to get up. Try to make some breakfast. Gonna rub some butter on this warm tortilla and put cinnamon sugar on it.